Okay, let's have your new song entitled I Love You by Celine Dion. Always remember that if you will sing the song I Love You, not only in the mouth, but also there is a heart on it. There's a feelings on it like Celine Dion. Okay? Sige, let's have here now the OR or the opening remarks. By the way, this is the whisper sound, like your voice must be volume out. Okay? Next, let's have here. If only you were mine. Like that. That's the whisper technique. Mine. Celine Dion will always do the movement of the mandible. Okay, here para nindot kay siya paminawon. Next, if there is a whisper, there is a loud. I wish I could go back to the very first day. You pause in the first day. Okay, and in I, there is a shaking. I saw you. Oh. Wait, sa. Balik. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Dere butangi og smile. Okay, para ma-feel na ako ang feelings. Okay, next. Should if. Okay, by the way, the should if is the combination of should and VE. That's should. Should be. Okay? Made my move when you look in my eyes. Because there is a eye, so you need to open your eyes. Like, open eyes, like that. There's a kilay. And you do smile. Ah, okay? Did you get my point? Dapat lang. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. Wait muna, for a while. Medyo tumaas yung aking acid nito, no? Nagkakaroon talaga ako ng acid reflux kapag kailangan natin itong i-achieve, no? Pagiging Celine Dion. Pero bago niyan, buti na lang nandito yung centracid ko. Ito, pang antacid to, ha? Pag tumaas talaga ang acid ng katawan mo, kailangan mo to. Meron siyang aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, oxytocin. So ito, guys, napaka-effective nito. Isang inom, oral suspension to para wala talaga tayong barado sa ating pag singer talaga dapat, ano talaga tayo, on the way, go na tayo dito. Okay. Cause by now, I know. Wait muna. By the way, available pala yun sa La Nueva at saka sa Evercare. O hindi, sa hardware, ha? Okay. Barato lang din yun. Effective talaga. Bilis lang talaga niya na mag-ano. Okay. Cause by now, I know that you'd feel the way that I do. Here, medyo may pagkarap. Nakuha niyo dito? May pagkarap yung part na yan. And I'd whisper these words as you'd. Here, you'd is the combination again of U and D. You'd. You'd lie here by my side. Here, there is a lot of problem here. Okay? Here, next. Ay, dito tayo sa pinaka-exciting part, the EP. Ah, okay. I love you. Okay, here, there is a lot of technique to be applied, no? An explanatory technique. Please say you love me too. Okay, here, the closing ceremony is the okay, bye. Ano na siya ka-basic. Again, kung na may mga problema sa inyong gut, sa inyong acid, centracid, ay katapat, ana. Okay? Bye.